To get notified when your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra detects an unknown tracker traveling with you, you have to enable unknown tracker feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find safety and emergency. Tap safety and emergency. Next, tap unknown tracker alert. And then tap the gray on offset next to allow alert until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When unknown tracker feature is on, your phone will notify you if an unknown tracker is detected traveling with you. With this feature, you can identify, find, and remove trackers that have been placed near you or in your belongings without your knowledge or consent. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.